In this video, guys, I'm going to show you how to share zip files inside Gmail. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you find it's helpful. In saying that, let's begin. Alright, I'm going to go to my folder here and make a zip. So I'm going to choose these 4 photos and compress this in a zip. So I'm going to click on right click and then click on compress to zip file. Here it is here. So I'm just going to call it test. It's going to let me. There you go here. So that's all these files inside this zip file. So now to send this in a Gmail, what you need to do is open up a web browser, go to your Gmail, mail.google.com, and then from here you want to compose a new email, put in the address. I want to send it to myself, give it a subject, just going to call it test. And now what I want to do is click on this paperclip looking icon down below. It's called attach files. I'm going to click onto that, click on the downloads, I'm going to click on the test. And here it is here, 1.8 meg in size. Wait for that to upload. Once that has uploaded, you can add in a description here if you like, and then go ahead and press send. I'm going to do something random like that. Click send. And there it is there. I just sent it to myself. So if the person opens that email up, they'll see that as zip and they'll be able to open it as long as they've got a zip opener on their PC or laptop. I'm using 7-zip, or you can use WinRAR, WinZip, any type of WinZip or zip file will work.